So right now, what are some of the key challenges that electronics manufacturers are facing?
Yeah, so the biggest ones that we see is actually around labor, right? We're in this market now where, as much as I think we all want it to be, and we know it's super important in electronics manufacturing, it's not necessarily the sexiest industry to new incomers, right? I think the latest study I read is the average age in this industry is like 58 years old or something like that. So this industry is starting to, think about retirement and moving on to the next thing. But the younger generation, right, really hasn't come into play. And I think the industry has to think about that in two different ways. One is, how do you make the industry more attractive? It's incredibly interesting and intricate. And I think if people looked at it like they look at, finance sometimes or software even like we're in, which sometimes has that hot name to it, I think there would be a lot of interest. But I think there's also digital transformation, right? Yeah. Not only does that make it more attractive to the younger generation, but it also makes it that you can do more with less, right? And it's not as a big a deal if for 3 months you can't hire that person when somebody leaves, because you have the tooling around you to support your business effectively.
Yeah.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.